The question is whether C2H5OH is ionic or covalent. This is ethanol. So we have carbon, hydrogen, and then this OH group here attached to this hydrocarbon here. The OH, that tells us that this is an alcohol. So ethanol, is it ionic or covalent? We can look at the periodic table. We see metals, metalloids, and nonmetals. So this is all divided up by these three categories here. We find carbon, that's right here. Then hydrogen, that's over here. It's a nonmetal. Both of them are nonmetals. And oxygen over here, also a nonmetal. So since we have all nonmetals, this is considered to be a covalent compound. It'll have covalent bonds. We also call that a molecular compound. Let's take a look at the structure for a moment. So here's the structure, and we see these lines here. These lines, they represent a chemical bond, a covalent bond between the carbon and the hydrogen, or the carbon and the oxygen and the hydrogen. Each line represents a pair of electrons, and they're shared. Covalent bonds, they share electrons. So this is the structure for C2H5OH ethanol, these covalent bonds, these single lines. We also have a molecular model here for ethanol. Same thing, it's just a different representation. This one kind of looks like a duck, actually. We have our hydrogens, the black carbon, the red oxygen. So these are the single bonds where electron pairs are shared between atoms. Those are the covalent bonds. And overall, ethanol, the C2H5OH, is a covalent compound, also called a molecular compound. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.